We do DIY. We need a glue gun and of course Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, Donald Duck, and Daisy Duck, and spinner ball. And then we put a glue. Then we put them together so that we even though we spin, we spin them. We spinner. We spin. Next is Minnie Mouse. We put again glue. And we put in here and we make sure that it's still gonna rotate. There we go. The same way Daisy Duck. We put some glue, same thing. And we put in the spinner ball and we make sure that it's spinning. There we go. Donald Duck, it's for his feet together, so we put just only on the middle like this. We put a glue like this, and then we make sure that it's still gonna spin the spinner ball. There you go. So everybody's spinning. Yes. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. God bless. Love. See you in my next live or vlog. Stay safe. God bless. Mwah!